Hey lovely people, in today's video I've got 2 products that has 4 rebates attaching. Alright guys, let's jump into it. Now, the first rebate I decided to do, guys, was the Renews-Its. The Renews-Its 3-pack is priced $2.74 in my Walmart. I used that $1 coupon out of the $12.13 Retail Me Not. I paid $1.74 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 74 cents for the 3-pack of Renews-Its. The next deal I decided to do was on the 2 Renews-Its, the single ones. These were priced 97 cents in my store. It is a BOGO, buy one, get one rebate. So you must purchase the 2 products. 2 will be $1.94. You're going to pay $1.94 in store. You're going to get back 97 cents, making the final cost be 97 cents for the 2 Renews-Its. Next rebate you're going to do, guys, is the all laundry detergent. Okay, I keep doing this because this one is attaching to 2. It's attaching to the white one for the all free and clear. It's priced $4.97 in my Walmart. Okay, you're going to scan it in store, and the blue bag is going to attach as well. So you're going to only purchase the one, but you're going to get 2 back. Going to be $4 back. You're going to use a $1 coupon out of the $12.13 Retail Me Not. You're going to pay $3.97 in store, but you're going to get back $4, making a 3-cent moneymaker. Next product, guys, was the Snuggle, again, the Super Care. It's priced $3.97 in my Walmart. Use that $1 coupon out of the $12.13 Retail Me Not. I paid $2.97 in the store, got back $2.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost for the Snuggle Super Care 47 cents. Great deal. Next product I got, guys, was this again for my husband. It is the Burrito. That is the name of it. It is a Fiesta breakfast burrito. It's got egg and beans in it. It's priced $3.38 in my store. I didn't have a coupon, so I paid $3.38. There is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $1.88 for the breakfast burrito. Let's get to the nitty-gritty of how we're going to get these extra rebates, guys. All right. Unorthodox product for Coupon and Crystle, but you know I have grandbabies, okay? This is the beech nut baby food, all right? There is a beech nut rebate for Ibotta, but you must buy 2, okay? Now, the reason why I got these is because the rebate and because of the other rebates that are not baby food that are attaching to this, guys. Yes, the beech nut baby food is priced 94 cents for the rebate. You must purchase the 2. It's going to be $1.88. All right, the Ibotta rebate for the beech nut baby food is 30 cents, so you're going to get back 30 cents plus there is a 10-cent any baby food rebate that is attaching to this, which is going to drop the cost to $1.48, but I'm not done. There is a 10-cent any diaper rebate that is attaching to this, and there is a 10-cent any diaper rash rebate that is attaching to this. And you guys know, with that hike bonus, the any items are applying as well, guys. That's a good deal, right? Yes, because you had to purchase just the baby food. Just for the baby food, you got 4 rebates. Stop playing. All right. Next, let's talk about the total. The total of everything that I purchased, guys, was $18.88. I used $3 in coupons, dropping my cost to $15.88. I did redeem a $5 Shopkick gift card in store, dropping my cost to $10.88. And then guess how much I got back in rebates? I got $10.57 back in rebates, making the cost be only 31 cents. Stop playing. 31 cents. Yes, 31 cents for all my product. I paid more than the daggone baby food was more than that. Okay, Great, great deal. Yes. And got my $5 for the hike bonus, and then my sled bonus popped up. Okay, guys, so this was a great, great haul. I'm glad that I thought to go to the baby aisle and just look for rebates for my grandbabies. So this worked out. That is the reason why, guys, I scan stuff in store. Because let me tell you this, the any baby food rebate, some of the beech nut baby food was not attaching, okay? So what I ended up getting was the mango. The mango was attaching, all right? But all the baby food was not attaching to the 10-cent any baby food, okay? So if you just want to just, you know, scan, scan, and scan. That's why I scan stuff in store, guys, because sometimes, just like with the laundry, somebody that's keying in done made a mistake, and, you know, other things are attaching. But it's working all together for our good, right? Yes, I love it, guys. Let me know in the comments below of the video if this is helpful for you, if you're going to use this little baby food glitch, okay? I hope it is helpful for you guys, and I hope you also go in the description box and get the Google document link so you can have that in store so you will not be confused. I try to make the Google document as simple as possible so you guys can understand what you get. Okay? All right. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye, guys.